Hello friends, I am Mr. Anand Kumar, Faculty of Science in Balno Academy, Delhi. I am going to solve question paper of Physics, Chemistry and Biology of CDS examination 2022. Okay. Starting with physics now. First question is question number 24. In this question, if an object is placed at the focus of convex lens, its image is at infinity. ठीक है? If object is at focus, image is at infinity. Simple. Second question. Your second physics question is question number 25. Which one of the following statement about aperture of convex lens is correct? Correct answer, it is independent of radius of curvature. Okay. Next question is question number 26. When water is heated from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, what happens to the density? Graph showing variation of density with temperature is like this. From 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. At 4 degrees Celsius, density of water is maximum. So when it is heated from 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, its density increases. So correct answer is increases. Next question is question number 27. The acceleration due to gravity at the earth surface depends upon. This is your formula to find acceleration due to gravity. Capital M is mass of the planet and R is radius of the planet. So acceleration due to gravity depends upon both mass and radius of the planet. So this is your correct answer. Answer number C. एक क्वेश्चन और था, क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. दिस वन. An object is dropped from a certain height onto the floor. Which one of the following remains constant? तो ये 9th क्लास में ही बताया गया. Acceleration due to gravity is constant. Its value is 9.8 meter per second square. So acceleration due to gravity is constant. सिंपली एक्सेलरेशन भी आप टिक कर सकते हैं, एक ही बात है. अगला क्वेश्चन फिजिक्स का है, एक मिनट. यस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 85. An electrical circuit having combination of resistance and capacitance in this circuit there is capacitor and resistance, or you know capacitor blocks DC, so no current flows through capacitor. So your path of current is like this. So in this circuit two resistances are used, 10 ohm and 10 ohm. So total resistance of the circuit is 20 ohm. So the value of current is, according to Ohm's law, V by R. Value of potential is 10 volt and resistance is 20. 10 plus 10 is 20. So correct answer is 0.5 ampere. Next question. Question number 87. This is very simple question. Device used to measure electric current is ammeter. इसमें तो एक्सप्लेन करने की कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 88 also. In this question, a metallic wire of length L, diameter D has a resistance R. What happens to the resistance of another wire of same length, same material, having same length and double the diameter? So diameter is doubled, so area of cross section is doubled. Formula of resistance is R is equal to rho L by A. Rho is resistivity, material is same, so resistivity is same. Length is also same. If area is doubled, diameter, here diameter is doubled. Just a minute. Area of cross section of any wire is pi r square. Diameter is half of the radius whole square. So if diameter is doubled, area of cross section is 4 times. तो फाइनल एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन देखो 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा इनिशियल का, इफ डायमीटर इज डबल्ड. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस रिलेशन R इज इक्वल टू रो L बाय A. इफ एरिया इज 4 टाइम्स, रेजिस्टेंस इज 1 by 4 टाइम्स. 1 by 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा ये R upon 4. तो करेक्ट आंसर इज बी वाला हो जाएगा. ठीक है बेटा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 118. Yes, this one. Question number 113. Which one of the following metals are very good conductor of heat? Very simple answer. Even electricity also. Silver and copper. Silver, gold, copper and aluminium. तो गोल्ड तो है नहीं यहाँ पर, तो आप सिल्वर एंड कॉपर ही देखो, इसी को टिक करना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 100, ये तो फिजिक्स से नहीं है, बस फिजिक्स इज कंप्लीटेड. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट केमिस्ट्री. क्वेश्चन नंबर 161. ये केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. यस. स्टोरेज ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल टिश्यू सच एज ब्लड, organs, semen requires low temperature, which is achieved upon by the usage of, answer is liquid nitrogen. लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन. और बहुत ही लो टेम्परेचर में अगर आप किसी चीज़ को स्टोर करना चाहते हैं तो उसके लिए हीलियम यूज़ किया जाता है, बट इन सब के लिए लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन ही यूज़ करा जाता है. तो सो करेक्ट आंसर इज लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. ये भी केमिस्ट्री का ही है। इन ज्वाइनिंग रेलवे ट्रैक्स आयरन ऑक्साइड मेड टू रिएक्ट विद एल्युमिनियम। Aluminium is correct answer because this reaction is highly exothermic, very large amount of heat is produced and from that energy आप easily weld कर सकते, melt कर सकते इवन आयरन को भी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 63 था ये। नेक्स्ट केमिस्ट्री का क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 82। ये तो बहुत सिंपल है। डिफिशियंसी ऑफ आयरन इज कॉज्ड बाय, ठीक है, एनीमिया। ये इसके ऊपर वाला भी है, आपने कर दिया होगा। यूरिया इज प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय मेटाबॉलिज्म ऑफ प्रोटीन। दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 93 केमिस्ट्री का है। Recently, India's first green hydrogen-based advanced fuel cell electric vehicle was launched. It has no tailpipe emission other than water. Water is your correct answer. So correct answer is water. Water is the correct answer. Next chemistry question is 114. Question number 114. School bells are made up of metals because metals are sonorous. Metallic sound को बोलते हैं sonorous. तो this is your correct answer, sonorous. $115. Yes, this one. Consider the following statement about tincture of iodine. It is an antiseptic solution, correct. Iodine is kept in alcohol water mixture. This is also correct. But this one is false. So there are two answers, 1 and 2. So correct answer is B. B हो जाएगा correct. ठीक है, केमिस्ट्री ओवर हो चुका है। मैं लास्ट में बायो का बता दूं। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ बायो इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 69। Fat in human body is stored in एडिपोज टिश्यू। दिस वन इज करेक्ट, एडिपोज टिश्यू। ये तो आप डायरेक्ट याद कर लोगे। नेक्स्ट 70 इज ऑल्सो ऑफ बायो। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज फीचर्ड ऑफ मेम्ब्रेन? ठीक है, ये करेक्ट है। बाइलेयर ऑफ प्रोटीन मॉलिक्यूल्स in which lipid and cholesterol are embedded. So this one is correct. number. Which of the following parts of the human alimentary canal can be of maximum length? ये स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन होता है, मैक्सिमम बच्चे सोचते हैं लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, ऐसा नहीं है। इसका साइज़ ज़्यादा होता है, 6.5 मीटर अबाउट होता है। तो आप स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन को ही टिक करना, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। तो दिस इज़ योर करेक्ट। ये करीब 6.5 मीटर का होता है और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का जो करीब 1.5 फीट होता है। तो एज़ कम्पेयर टू 6.5 मीटर, दिस वन इज़ स्मॉलर। Next, question number 81. Which one of the following pairs of enzyme do not works at acidic pH? तो आपको बेस को यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। तो here base is C। ये दोनों ही बेस है, ट्राइप्सिन एंड एमाइलेज। सॉरी, ये दोनों एसिडिक है। इसमें लिखा है नॉट वर्क इन एसिडिक पीएच। तो ये दोनों ऑलरेडी एसिडिक है, तो इसमें वर्क ही नहीं करेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 83, डिफिशियंसी ऑफ आयरन इज कॉज्ड बाय एनीमिया। इसमें कुछ एक्सप्लेन करने की तो ज़रूरत है ही नहीं, एनीमिया इज करेक्ट आंसर। आयरन की डिफिशियंसी से होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 91। India has achieved the 10% ethanol blending much ahead of the targeted date. बहुत पहली targeted date से वो 10% वो इथेनॉल की blending कर लिया। Which one of the following greatly benefits from this? कौन सा इंडस्ट्रीज़ को बेनिफिट सबसे ज़्यादा? शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज़, क्योंकि गन्ने से ही तो निकलता है ये, तो शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज़ को ही बोलोगे। तो दिस इज़ योर करेक्ट आंसर, शुगर इंडस्ट्रीज़। अगला क्वेश्चन है 111। स्टेनिंग हेयर ऑफ नेटल लीव्स इंजेक्ट फ्लूइड्स इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी कॉजिंग बर्निंग पेन। जैसे मधुमक्खी ये सब काटता है तो देखा होगा आपको बहुत ही बर्निंग पेन होता है। मिथेनोइक एसिड की वजह से ही होता है, वो एसिडिक नेचर का होता है तो आपको काफ़ी बर्न प्रोड्यूस करता है। तो मिथेनोइक एसिड इज योर करेक्ट आंसर। $112 भी है आपका। मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया इज यूज्ड व्हेन पीपल सफ़र फ्रॉम इनडाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, है ना। तो ये माइल्ड बेस होने की वजह से यूज़ किया जाता है मिल्क ऑफ मैग्नीशिया। Milk of Magnesia is mild base, so it is used. Next question of bio is 117. 117. ठीक है. In the plant cells, आप ठीक से पढ़ो. तो this is your correct answer. B. Plant cell में क्या होता है? Nucleus and chloroplast are surrounded separately by their own membrane. अपनी membrane से surrounded होते हैं. So this is your correct answer. Next is 118. Which one of the following statements about starch and glycogen is correct? Check कर लो. This one is correct. Answer number C. Starch is present in plant cell and glycogen present in animal cell. ये तो direct answer है. ठीक है. And your last question of bio is 120. Kwashiorkor, a form of malnutrition, is caused by the deficiency of protein. है ना, साउथ अफ्रीका के लोगों को ज़्यादातर होता है प्रोटीन की कमी से ये सब. प्रोटीन. तो दिस इज योर करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है. ओके बेटा, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो हो चुका. अब कृपा शंकर सर आपके सामने आएंगे जो हिस्ट्री के क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे. ज्योग्राफी. वेलकम सर.
I am Mr. Kripashankar Prasad. I am going to discuss geography and polity and economy. First question is about consider the following: M.A. Iyengar, G.S. Dhillon, Question number 1. It is about Speaker of Lok Sabha. M.A. Iyengar, G.S. Dhillon, Balram Jakar, P.A. Sangma. All four were Speaker of Lok Sabha. So answer will be D part. Answer will be D part. All four were Speaker of Lok Sabha. Now question number 2. Now name of the schedules are given here. First schedule, third schedule, fifth schedule, ninth schedule. First schedule is the name of the states and union territories described. Third schedule, salary of the president, vice president is described. Fifth schedule is related to administration, schedule tribe, schedule area. So 3 statement is correct. Only 1 is correctly matched. Answer is A part. Now come to question number 3. Which of the following statement is correct? Article 21A Constitution of India states shall provide free and compulsory education to children up to age of 11, not 14 years. So it's not 11. So A part is wrong. B part is correct. Every religious domination has got absolute power under Article 26 of the Constitution to manage its own affair on religion. Answer will be B part. Question number 4 is about geography. Which of the following influence ocean current? The heating of solar energy, water and earth's surface is heated, that affects the density of water. So it causes movement of current. Permanent wind also affect the movement current. Coriolis force also affect the movement current. Only gravitational pull of sun and moon is about tide. It is not about ocean current. Now come to question number 5th. Which of the following sedimentary rock has not been formed mechanically? Answer is sandstone. Next come to the question number 6th. The temperature increases with the increase in altitude. 1. The increase in altitude, if you increase temperature, decreases. Here is increasing is about. So 2 and 3 is correct. Answer will be B part. Question number 7th. In which of the following state or union territory the lake Tasomo located? It is in Sikkim. Answer will be C part. Which of the following statement consists of is or are correct? West coast of India is highly rocky and retreating coast. 1 statement is correct statement. 2 and 3 is wrong. So only 1 is correct. Now come to question number 9th. Which of the following state or union territory has the largest area under coral reefs? Coral reefs are formed due to deposition of submarine life in the sea. When they come above the sea level, they form island is called coral island. And answer is Lakshadweep. Which of the following considered agency function of commercial bank? It is investment of surplus fund. Which of the following forms of money considered most widely used for monetary system? M3. Which of the following is the first state in India 100% household connection? It is our current affairs. Safety. Question number 11 we have discussed. 12. Question number 14. If we have browsed a table, recent period shows the life expectancy for all the categories of rural and urban, male and female decision for all state, you are not likely to observe that. Statements are given. In this, only 2 is correct. Consider following statement. The government is promoting the Kishan drone for the spraying the weedicide. ये नहीं होगा. बाकी 2 and 3 is correct. So answer will be B part. Next, which of the following which of the following, question number 21. Which of the following state or have bicameral legislature? If state has 2 houses, upper house is called Vidhan Parishad, lower house is called Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha means state legislative assembly, and that is state legislative council. Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar and UP, all 4 states has the 1, 2, 3, 4. State Legislative Council. Question number 22. By 86th Amendment, we have added in our Constitution 21A. Children below 14 years, 6 to 14 years should be given free and compulsory education by the state. So answer will be 86th Amendment. Question number 28. In which of the following highlands of India can you find a temperature forest that is called Solas? Answer is Nilgiri. Nilgiri lies in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu state. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu state. Question number 29. Pingos are associated with the following process Answer is B part. Question number 30. Which of the following list selected correct? Use the list. Answer is B part. Question number 32. In Indian desert known as Marusthali is believed to under which of the following eras Mesozoic stage. Answer will be C part. And question number 43. Which of the following is not category under the President of India nominates member of Parliament? In Rajya Sabha, President nominates 12 members on basis of their service in literature, science, art and social service, not state service. So answer will be part D. Correct answer should be the social service. Here state and question is asked not category, not. So answer will be D part. Now come to the which of the following central feature is not associated with capitalist economy. Capitalist economy is that economy in which means of production, forces of production are owned and controlled by the private sector. Here price mechanism decide what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. Here the consumer is sovereign. So answer will be D part in 46. This is D part. Question. Which of the following is not strength of the chief benefit of bicameralism? Bicameralism means the two houses are there. For example, we have Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Bicameral house, the upper house correct the mistake done by the lower house and it checks the power of lower house. Answer is here D part. Now question number 43. One more question is 48. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India RBI established in year 2016. Which of the following other term used for focus in the relation with the earthquake? Answer is hypocenter. Question number 50. Which of the following is not mountain peak and in Andaman Nicobar? Saddle Peak is the highest mountain peak there. Mount Trullier is also, Mount De Vilio is also there. Lhotse Peak is not in Andaman Nicobar. Answer will be C part. Now here name of the clouds are given and characteristics is given. Answer is C part. Means cirrus cloud entirely on icy particles. The cumulus cloud is related with fair weather clouds, and the nimbostratus is storm cloud, and cirrus is the high for low ceiling cloud. Answer will be C part. Next question is, which of the following planet has largest number of known satellite? It is Saturn. Among the following country did not idea of social market economy emerge? 57. Answer is Germany. Ramsar Convention, it is about wetland, preservation of bird, and Ramsar is a place in Iran where convention was called to preserve the birds and wetland area. So answer will be wetland preservation. Sustainable development. Sustainable development may use the resources in such a manner that that is not going to disturb ecological balance, and it can be used for future use also. It's called sustainable development. And answer is Brundtland Report, A part. In which of the following state has the president rule imposed? President rule is imposed according to Article 356. If any state has not majority to form the government, any party, or state is unable to maintain law and order, according to which the president rules import under Article 356. Maximum number of time is Manipur. It is 10 times. In UP, it is declared for 9 times, and in Bihar 8 times. Punjab also 9 times. Election Photo Identity Card (EPIC) commission in India was started which of the following years? '78, 1993, 1999. Now come to the election 79 question. Election of president. President is elected by single transferable vote system by secret ballot. All the elected member of Lok Sabha, all elected member of Rajya Sabha, all elected member of State Legislative Assembly and representative of Pondicherry and Delhi participate in it. So answer will be B part. Proportional representation by single transferable vote. Come to question number 80. Question is asked not correct. So answer will be D part. Council of State has no power to discuss the money. They has power to discuss. So answer will be D part. Question number 94. Which of the following language was added to 8th schedule by constitutional amendment in 1967? Answer is Sindhi. We have 22 national languages. Sindhi is added in 1967. So answer will be part C. Come to Public Account Committee. About the Public Account Committee, PAC. Answer will be C part. Chairperson of committee is elected by member, not. It is elected by the speaker. So answer will be C part. Question is asked not correct. It is a correct statement. So answer will be C part. Which of the following first and oldest government-owned coal mining company? Coal India Limited. C part. Which of the following tributary of river Barak in Manipur? Dhaulaswari. Which is not Pucha. Which of the following is tributary of Barak City? Dhaulaswari आएगा आंसर. Subhasuri, Dhaneshwari and Manas. These are tributary of river Brahmaputra. Come to question number. We are moving from Bikaner to Konark. Konark is in Odisha. Bikaner is in Rajasthan. So answer will be tropical thorny desert, moist disease and mangrove forest. Which of the following about Kerawaz? Kerawaz. Which of the following is statement correct? Kerawaz are well known for cultivation of saffron, almond and walnuts. Only 3 is correct. Next question number 105. Consider the following about the Indian state. How we can guess the Neelam Sanjeev Reddy? Was president of India, and in his name project was constructed. So answer will be D part, Andhra Pradesh. Now history sir will come and explain the answer of the history question and current affair question. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek, Balnoi faculty, GS, Delhi. Today we are going to discuss about current affair question and history question. We are going to discuss set B. We are going to discuss the set B here. If we start with the current affair question, the chunk number of questions there are asked in the current affair, around 20 plus questions there are asked about in current affairs section. If we go with the first question of current affair, question number 12. The question says that which of the following state? The question says that which of the following state have 100% household tap water connection? The answer is B, Goa. Answer is B, Goa. Next question of current affair is 13th question. If you read the 13th question, it talked about the labor codes notified by the government of India, incorporated by the various provision of Central Labour Act such as Factories Act 1948 and Plantation Labour Act 1951. The correct one is A option, that is Occupational Safety, Health and Working Condition of Code 2020. That is A option is correct. If you move with the another question, move to another question, that is question number 14. In this question they have asked about the life expectancy rate. They've asked about that if you were to browse a table of the recent period showing the life expectancy rate at the birth categories of rural, urban, male and female division of all states, you are likely to observe, so urban life expectancy is higher than rural higher in urban area than compared to rural area, definitely the statement is correct. The question they are going to ask, which of you are not likely to observe. Read the statement carefully. They are going to ask a question which is you are not likely to observe that. So one statement is correct. Why the one statement is correct? Because better health facilities in the urban areas, better infrastructure, better hospital facilities. So one statement is correct. Second one, they talked about the male life expectancy is higher than female one. No, this statement is wrong. The correct option is B, because female life expectancy is more as we compare to the male one. So second one is the wrong one. So answer is B. We move to the another question, question number 15. If we move to the question number 15 of current affairs section, question talks about, consider the following statement promoting the Kisan drone. They have asked the question of Kisan drone, a direct current affair question. So the correct option is B, that is 2 and 3. The spraying weedicide is not the correct one. The spraying the weedicide is not the correct one. The correct one is spraying the insecticides. Spraying the insecticides. So if we eliminate the option 1, so you are going to eliminate the C option and A option. Since we go with the option B, that is 2 and 3 is the correct one of current affair question. The next question of 16th question of current affairs. 16th question, then Jan Samrat portal. Jan Samrat portal. So here the question is, answer is D. It's provide a link to the government and credit link initiative. So it's a scheme of, it's a initiative of whom? It's an initiative of Ministry of Finance. Ministry of Finance. Initiative of Ministry of Finance to provide a link of government credit scheme. The option D is the correct one here. The next current affair question, 17th one, recently India commissioned the first liquid mirror telescope. The correct option is B, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also known as Devbhoomi. Devbhoomi, that is B1 is correct. If you go with the 18th one, National Tribal Research Institute is situated in New Delhi. Option D is correct. Now next. So it's a direct question because around 20 plus question they have asked in the current affairs section. If we go with the question number 19th, that is Avani Lekhara excels in one of the following spits. Which one of the following spits? Basically a shooting. Option C, shooting is the correct one. Another one, question number 38. Next question is 38. 38 they are asked about, recently the United Nations agreed to change the name of which one of the following country. Basically it was in the news, the name was Turkey. From Turkey they have changed the name to Turkey A. They changed the name from Turkey to Turkey A, and United Nations agreed to change the name of which of the following countries. So option D is correct, that is Turkey. Next question, 39th, that is SWIFT. SWIFT is Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, frequently in the news. The option is C, that is Global Money Transfer. Option C is the correct one because it is trusted messaging app. So here there is a communication between bank and other financial institutions. So option C is correct, that is Global Money Transfer. Another question, question number 40. If we talked about P75 or P75 India project, it referred to the manufacturing of option A, that is diesel electric submarine. It was recently in the news. So they have asked a direct question in the current affairs section. The next question of current affair, 41. So they have asked about the 41 question about the thermal high altitude defense, sometimes mentioned in the news, because defense question you are giving for the CDS question, so definitely you are going to expect a question of defense related. So option A is correct, that anti-missile system. Option A is correct, that the term the thermal high altitude area defense, sometimes mentioned in the news, that is anti-missile system. A is correct. If we go with the question number 42, current affairs section, with reference to the BrahMos missile, consider the following statement. It has the flight range up to 290 km. The statement is correct. The statement 1 is correct. it's capable of attaining the speed of 2.8 Mach. The statement is also correct, and the third statement is wrong. So answer will be A, 1 and 2. Answer will be A, 1 and 2 statement is correct. If we move further, question number 45, blue helmets. They've asked about the blue helmets are option A, that is United Nations peacekeeping blue helmets. So option A is correct. Another current affair question, 48 question. Let's see the 48 question. They asked about the insolvency bankruptcy board established. When it was established? It was established in the year 2016. It was established in 2016. So option C is correct. Look, in this paper, the CDS examination, the question of current affairs was quite direct. So you can expect these direct questions in the examination. Another question, if we move further, about 48, question number 48. 48 we did, okay. 60, question number 60. Okay, question number 60. Which among the following report defines the sustainable development that meets the need of the present generation without compromising the future generation, ability of the future generation to meet their own need? That is Brundtland report. Brundtland report is the correct one. So in the year of 1987, it was formed Our Common Future. It talked about Brundtland report. So option A is correct, a direct question. If we move further, next question, 72. Come to the question 72, current affair question 72. Okay, 72. While forming the Indo-Pacific framework of prosperity, the members countries launch a collective discussion towards the future generation on the 4 pillars. Read the question carefully. They asked about the 4 pillars. Which among the following is not one of the pillar? They've asked this question the not, because this year the trend has been changed of asking the question. They have introduced the word not in each and every question. Maximum number question you will be seeing the word not. So which of the following is not one of the pillars? कौन सा एक पिलर नहीं है, 4 में से कौन सा एक पिलर नहीं है? So they are talking about prosperity. So here the option B will be the correct one, defense corporation and intelligence sharing, because here the clean energy, decarbonization and infrastructure was one of the pillar, supply chain was one of the pillar, and tax and anti-corruption was one of the pillar. So defense corporation and intelligence sharing is not one of the pillar. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Now come to the 73 question. 73 question talks about the reason Donetsk and Luhansk are sometimes mentioned in the news. It was very famous question because recently it was in the news. If we talked about this question, thus these are the separate region of what? Ukraine, because recently the war is going on between Ukraine and Russia. So it's a direct question of current affair question. It's a direct question. So option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct one, that Donetsk and Luhansk are mentioned in the sometimes in the news. They are the reason belong to Ukraine. The next question. If we go with the question number 74, which of the following countries were placed in the grey list of FATF, that is Financial Action Task Force? Here the options are Turkey and UAE. If we talked about financial FATF, it was formed by G7 countries. The answer is Turkey and UAE. If we move further, the question number 75. Which one of the following country extended a fund facility often talked about in the news? It was in the news recently. What happened when there is a crisis of fund? We move towards IMF. So option B is correct, that is IMF. So read the question carefully. What they're going to ask? They're going to ask about to assist the country. assist the country extended fund facilities when there is a fund crisis. So ultimately the country will be moving for the IMF for the fund. So option B is the correct one. Now come to the question number 76, current affair question. If you read the question, the term Ethereum, Solana, Polkadot and Tether sometimes mentioned in the news refer to, these are the cryptocurrencies. It's a direct question. If you read the one statement, that is Ethereum, it was in the very famous cryptocurrency. So mark the A option correct, that is cryptocurrency. Mark the A option correct, that is cryptocurrency. Okay. Now come to the question number 89. In India, which one of the following responsible for the implementation of Government of India policy in all matter concerning the telecommunication? That is TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Option B is correct. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. जितना भी telecom related, communication related work है, it will be handled by TRAI. That is TRAI, that is Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. B option is correct. Come to the question number 90. A very famous question, it was in the news, James Webb Space Telescope. It was in the news. क्यों स्पेस में था? क्योंकि recently the pictures has been sent to the नासा के पास पिक्चर्स आया था इन लोगों का कि किस तरीके से हाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टार वाज देयर, हाउ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैलेक्सीज वाज देयर. इट वाज वेरी फेमस एंड इट वाज इन द न्यूज रिसेंटली. लास्ट 2 months पहले न्यूज में था जेम्स वेब टेलीस्कोप. सो हियर इज द लार्जेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेटरी एवर लॉन्च इन द स्पेस. द स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट. स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट एंड इट हैज बीन डेवलप्ड बाय नासा. इट बीन डेवलप्ड बाय नासा इन द पार्टनरशिप विद यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी, दैट इज ESA and what? Canadian Space Agency, that is CSA. So here both the statement is correct. The option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct one. Option C is the correct one. Come to the question number 92. Come to the question number 92. They asked about the consider the following statement regarding the e-Rupee prepaid digital voucher. Prepaid digital voucher. Here the option A is correct. That option 1 and 2 is the correct one. Option 1 and 2 is the correct one, because here the third statement is wrong, because to receive a e-Rupee on mobile phone, beneficiary need a smartphone with internet connection. So it is without internet connection you can also receive. So here the third statement is wrong. If you go and mark A option is the correct one, A option is the correct one, that is 1 and 2 is the correct one. e-Rupee prepaid digital voucher. Okay, this is what all about the current affairs section. Now we are moving toward the history section. Because here the history section, around 20 plus question they have asked in the history, and majority of them question asked from ancient India. Because here the quite factual question they have asked about the ancient India. We'll start with the discussion of the history section. We'll start with the first question, that is question number 33. I am discussing the set B. I am discussing the set B. Set B I am discussing. So question number 33. Come to the question number 33 of set B. So they have asked which of the following Charvaka school of philosophy. Charvaka school of philosophy is a direct question tha, so it's a very tough question. So they have asked about the Charvaka school of philosophy. Charvaka school of philosophy, they have asked about this question. Here the option is 2 and 4 is the correct one. C, 2 and 4 is the correct one. School of Charvaka school of philosophy, C option is correct. The next history question, 34 question. During the 18th and 14th century, in the Sanskrit text inscription, which among the following term are used to donate the Muslim? Muslim को किस word से donate किया जाता था, किस term से donate किया जाता था? They have asked about this question. Here, Kadarmaku is the wrong one. So here the first statement is correct, second word is correct, and third term is correct. So here the answer will be A option. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3 is the correct one. 1, 2, 3 is the correct one. 1, 2, 3 is the correct one. Next option, question is 34. We have discussed. Come to the 35 question. They have asked one question from Harappan civilization, that is Indus Valley civilization. So here they have asked in a citadel in a lower town areas, which among the following Harappan cities have the several large cistern and reservoir. When you read about this thing, the reservoir are found in Dholabira. Dholabira is in Gujarat. It's in Gujarat. So where we found the reservoir? We found the reservoir and large cistern. We found in the Dholabira region. So question number 35, the answer is C. Answer is C. Come to the next question. That is come to the 36th question. 36th question. Look, again a direct question, a factual question this time. They've asked about, consider the following statement about cavalry warfare. Cavalry warfare. Here both the statement is directly correct. So here the option C is the correct one. Both 1 and 2 is the correct one. 1 and 2 is the correct one. Come to the question number 36. Because here modern history, one question you can see, the British policy towards Afghanistan. British policy towards Afghanistan is the first half of the 19th century. Read the question carefully. Whenever you are going to attempt the question, read the question multiple times. See the option carefully. In the 4 options only you will find the correct option. What happened? The British policy towards Afghanistan. They wanted to annex Afghanistan so they can have a direct control over the British territory. So here the annexing Afghanistan as the directly control the British territory, the option D is the correct one. Here the option D is the correct one. Question number 37, the D is the correct one. Sorry. And one more current affair question that we have not discussed, so I am discussing right now. It is P-75. We have discussed. The project refers to is diesel electric submarine. Diesel electric submarine. The next question of history is (37). We have discussed. Okay. 53. Come to the question number 53. Set B. 53. Which among the following Indian thinker? No, it's not the 53. Okay, which among the following usurped the power of Kanya-Kubja after the death of Harshvardhan? After the death of Harshvardhan, that is Arunashava. Option B, Arunashava. 53. The question number 53. The correct option is B, Arunashava. Set B I am discussing. Come to the question number 54. The legend Prahlad and father Hiranyakashipu was first set out in the Vishnu Purana. Here the serial was also there, Vishnu Purana series was there. So correct option is B. The legend Prahlad and his father Hiranyakashipu was first set out in the Vishnu Purana. The correct option is B. Question number 54. Question number 54 I am discussing about set B. It is set B. Question number 54. The correct one is B option. Now come to the next question. Question number 55. Come to the question number 55. We talked about the ownership according to Smriti literature. Read the question carefully. What they are asked. They have asked about the not correct, because majority of the question they have asked about the statement not correct. Read the question multiple times. So there is a trap of UPSC. They are asking these types of questions. Which of the following statement is not correct? Which of the following statement are not likely to be correct? These types of trap they are giving. So they have asked about the statement on the ownership according to Smriti literature. Here the option is D. Sridhar was not inherited by the children without the permission of the husband. The D statement is wrong. The first statement is correct. Second statement is correct. Third statement is correct. The wrong was the D statement. Come to the question number 56. Which among the following, again there is a trap. If you read the UPSC question, which among the following is not a woman labor leader? कौन सी woman लीडर नहीं थी, लेबर लीडर नहीं थी, हु ऑर्गेनाइज्ड अ वर्कर इन द स्ट्राइक इन 1920? इफ वी गो, द करेक्ट आंसर इज प्रभावती देवी. सी इज द करेक्ट वन बिकॉज सरला देवी चौधरानी हैज फॉर्म्ड बोथ भारत श्री महामंडलम and Ushabai Dange was a revolutionary leader who worked for the labor class, and he married to a person who joined was Communist Party of India in Maharashtra. She was active in Maharashtra. And Anushya Bain, you read about Anushya Bain in 1918 Ahmedabad mill strike. So she was again a women labor leader. The correct option is C. The correct option is C, that Prabhavati Devi, she participated in civil disobedience movement. She participated in civil disobedience movement, and she was arrested in 1932. So she was not a woman labor leader. So option C is the correct one. 56. Option C. Now come to the question number 58. '51 talked about that which among the following in the thinker spoke for food for work program to counteract the effect of famine? That is A. कौटिल्य ने ही सबके बारे में बात किया था about the state formation, state सिंहासन कैसा होगा, state राज कैसा होगा, state administration कैसा होगा, and it also talked about, she spoke about the food for the work program that counteract the effect of famine. That is option A, कौटिल्य. Question number 58 I am discussing about set B. The option A is the correct one. Come to the next question. 65 question. Come to the question 65. So here they have asked about the match the following question. If you match one or two option, you can directly come to the option like Mirchi Katikam was Sudarka, and Data Gatokaccha was Bhasha. So here the A option is 2. So here A option is 2 is there and D is there. So directly you can eliminate what? You can eliminate 1, you can eliminate B. So having the elimination technique, you can come to the question, and Mirch Katikam was Sudarka. So here the Mirch Katikam B, the correct one is 3. So here the only B, 3 is the correct one. So here the answer is C. Go for the option C is the correct one, is the match the following. So if you match one or two options, so you can come to the question directly. So it's a very easy question. Come to the next question. So here the question has been asked. At the bank of which of the following river the battle of Ten King fought in the early Vedic period? So in the early Vedic period, the time period was 1500 BC to 1000 BC. So here the correct was Parushini. Parushini was the correct one because at the bank of Parushini river, the battle of Ten King was fought in the early Vedic period, and the recent name of Parushini was अभी जिस नाम से जाना जाता है परुशिनी को, that is recent name, now it's called Ravi. Now the recent name of Parushini is Ravi. So again, next question, if we see about the Bengal famine in 1769 and 1770 was worsened by. So what happened during this time period? British supremacy was there in India because Battle of Plassey was over. And Battle of Buxar was over. And what was the main impact? The Bengal famine in 1769 and 1770. What happened? These two incident was happened. So here the correct option is high level of taxation, huge extraction of revenue. So here the main cause of Bengal famine was high level of taxation. So here come to the next question. Which among the following is not a work of Ashwagosha? Read the statement carefully, read the question carefully. They have asked about the question which is not a work of Ashwagosha. कौन सा वर्क नहीं है? बुद्ध चरिता वर्क है. So here the correct option is Manjushri Mulakalpa was the correct one. ये उसका वर्क नहीं है, अश्वघोषा का वर्क नहीं है, बुद्ध चरिता वर्क है. सौंदर्य नंदा वर्क है, एंड सरीपुत्र करना was the work of Ashwagosha. These three are the work of Ashwagosha, and Manjushri Mulkalpa was not a work of Ashwagosha. So question number 69 should be, the correct option is D. Correct option is D. So here we completed our all discussion of history as well as the current affairs section. So we have discussed all the questions of history and polity, history and current affairs, sorry. So here the maximum number of question of current affair question, the 20 plus question they have asked from current affair. If you go with the history section again the 20 plus question they have asked from the history section, and majority of the question from ancient India. Okay, all the best for your result. Hope this answer key will be helpful for you. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you.